Flip your glass and sip upside down to zap away hiccups. This quirky trick might sound like a party stunt, but it's actually a sneaky way to reset your diaphragm. When you drink water in this unconventional manner, you're forcing your body to engage muscles in a different pattern, essentially giving your hiccuping diaphragm a quick reset. It's a bit like hitting the refresh button on your body's internal rhythm. Forget holding your breath or enduring the awkwardness of someone trying to scare your hiccups away. This upside-down sip could be your new secret weapon. Next time you're caught in a hiccup loop, grab a glass, tilt it over, and drink from the far side. It's weird, it's wonderful, and it just might work wonders.